Are Forex trading robots too risky? What is going on, guys? Hopefully every single one of you is keeping well. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mohamed Salabi and I've been trading the Forex market for the past 5 years, and in the past 2 years I've been trading the markets completely on auto mode, and it's completely changed my life, allowing me to save a lot more time, spend more time with my family, friends, and spend more time on the hobbies that I love to do. As well as that, I've helped over 500 people also invest in the markets using Forex trading robots. And in today's topic, I'm going to answer a question that a lot of people ask me: are Forex trading robots too risky? And first and foremost, with a question like this, we need to look at where this question stems from. Usually this question stems from people that have had very bad experiences in Forex and in the algo space in general. And the other half of the people are the people that have seen Reddit threads, they've seen basically just people talking about it online. Now, usually when people say, is Forex trading robots too risky, I would say it's a very vague question, and you have to first and foremost understand why is somebody asking it in the first place. You've got the first group of people that ask this question and they just want to know, if you trade or if you invest in Forex, is there even a possibility to lose your money? Now, that first crowd, it's not possible to please them, because yes, there's always going to be a risk that you're going to lose your money, and this isn't anything. Even the safest of the safest investments, such as real estate, tomorrow, if you don't have earthquake insurance and an earthquake happens and your whole building collapses, you end up losing that investment, and it's as simple as that. So obviously there's going to be different levels of risk. Now, the people that think it's zero risk at all, I'm sorry to break it to you, unfortunately it's not possible. Like, there's always going to be the risk that you might lose some money, and there's even a smaller chance of potentially losing all of your money. So that's something that you need to understand. Now, the next question is the second group of people that ask, is it too much high risk? Very big chance that you're blowing your money. These type of people usually wonder, is it gambling? And I would say no, as long as you have the correct system in place and you are approaching your trading with risk management strategies. You see, in trading, there's usually always 3 strategies that you need to have unlock. Your actual trading strategy, the technicality of getting in and out on specific market conditions. Then you have your emotional strategy, how you approach your trading from a mentality perspective. And then of course your risk management, which is the technicality of how much you're risking on the line, how you manage your risk while you're trading. And this is important. Most people get the strategy brilliant. Like, a lot of people can just get very good at analyzing the markets, etc. And then you have also the second group of people that are eventually somewhat able to have some sort of control on the emotional aspect. But most people just completely neglect the risk aspect. And that is the problem. And then you have the fourth type of people which have all of these 3 things and they're great at it and they're manual traders. But they end up thinking that the risk aspect of manual trading applies to automated trading. Risk management strategies for these two are completely different. If you approach it in the same way, you'll probably end up blowing your automated trading account. So this is something that you have to be very aware of. You have to approach it in a very different manner. So the people that ask, is automated trading risky? You have to ask yourself, what is risky to you? For example, for me, first and foremost, number one, I never actually ever invest more than I can afford to lose. The money that I put into my Forex trading account, if I lose it tomorrow, yes, I'll be upset, but it will not change my life. You see, if that money that you put in, and if you lose it, it's going to completely affect and change your life, then just simply don't put it in. This applies to literally any investment. It's not just Forex. It's literally any investment that you can think of. So that brings me on to my last point. Is it riskier than, for example, real estate, stocks, etc.? Yes, of course. In life, there's something called a risk to reward. And the more higher potential for reward, the more risk, right? These things are in balance with each other. The more risk you are going to, of course, have is the more potential for reward, more potential for profit, essentially. So this is why it becomes incredibly important to have a diversified portfolio, a basket of different uncorrelated assets that are, some are risky, some are not too risky, some are incredibly high risk. So with that being said, this is my opinion. You let me know what you think of Forex trading robots yourself. Just let me know if you think they are too risky. With that being said, if you're interested in learning more about automated trading, simply head down into the description and click the first link, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.